Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2016 on a 16-plate Volkswagen Move Up. This is the 1 litre petrol with 3 doors and a 5-speed manual gearbox, finished in candy white, and it's just ticked 45,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around of this really low mileage, very, very clean Volkswagen Up. 3-door model, July 2016 registered. 45,000 miles just, with a really impressive service history. 9 recorded services right the way through its life, either at Volkswagen or a Volkswagen specialist. So properly well looked after every year from new. We've got a documented Cambelt change in 2016. 2016 registered car. The Cambelt was replaced in 2021, and that's documented in the service history. So bang up to speed on its maintenance. It's an exceptional condition inside and out. Just £20 a year to tax. Group 1 insurance, so it's the lowest of the low insurance group. Excellent fuel consumption, so as a first time car or a town car, it ticks all the boxes. Volkswagen reliability and build quality. Interior is lovely. We've got this nice charcoal cloth interior. Seats are in excellent condition, as is the steering wheel and the door cards. Remote central locking. It comes supplied with 2 keys. Electric front windows. It's got its original carpet mats. Inside we've got a manual handbrake, cup holder at the back, 5-speed manual gearbox. Down below we've got another cup holder, 12-volt socket. All your handbooks in the glove box there. Just tick 45,000 miles. Then we've got DAB digital radio, CD player, air conditioning at the top, and this does have the added option, which was an upgrade to the Garmin sat-nav system. So that's built in, which is really nice. You've got satellite navigation, you've got Bluetooth for your telephone on there, as well as a trip computer. So lovely level of specification on top of a standard Move Up, which is all good, and also over 3/4 of a tank of fuel as well. Into the back, we've got 2 seat belts and 2 headrests in the back, ISOFIX of course for the child seats. Again, it's got its carpet mats, so really nice and tidy. I'll just head around to the back of the car, into the boot space. So we've got split folding rear seats, parcel shelf at the top, and then we've got this really nice twin layer boot space. So this is the top level, the seats will fall flat. This can be lifted out to give you a much bigger boot space down below. Really nice and tidy, and then underneath the luxury of a spare wheel and all your other bits and bobs. So there we have it, July 2016 Volkswagen Move Up, 45,000 miles, upgraded sat-nav system, full service history, 9 recorded, including a Cambelt in 2021, £20 a year to tax, Group 1 insurance, 60 miles to the gallon. It's the ultimate first time car. Finance is available from less than £130 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory, free MOT along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Always ever so popular, especially at this kind of value, so I think this will be popular. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.